Hello there, and today I would like to introduce the fully automatic PLC controlled perfume chilling and mixing machines. And this one was the PLC control panel. And you see, which behind you is the manual one. I believe that you already know the manual one. So their working principle is the same. But this one is fully automatic. And you see here, instead of like manual to open this, everything is automatic by the pneumatic valve to driven the pipeline to close it or open, or it's automatic. And you see here is the PLC control panel, and now it's protected by plastic. And after you go home, you can wrap it. And this is the PLC control panel, and we got the Chinese, and we got the Chinese. English, okay, Chinese. This is the Chinese for better understanding and introducing, which I will operate in Chinese. But all the function is the same with the English one. You see, everything is the same. You only need to recording like my video. Everything is the same. Okay. I will introduce by Chinese. Okay. Okay. So this one is for mixing. Sucking materials, inner circulation, the discharge, and the recycling of the purified, the filtering recirculation. And here is the working. And here you can set the temperature. This is the button temperature and the highest temperature. For example, now it's 5 degrees and 7 degrees. Here is for the button temperature, which means when the temperature of the machines reach to 5, and then it will automatically go down the temperatures to 7. And after it reaches 7, then we will go down the temperature to 5. So keep recycling, okay? And here is the automatic and manual. Manual means you can control every pass, okay? Now it's automatic. So first part, I'm gonna teach you how to mix the machines. Here is the mixing button, right? And here, you can adjust the mixing speed, fast, slow, adjust here. And then you see inside, and you press this mixing button, then the machines will automatically mixing. Okay, let's go. And here you can set the mixing times. For example, now it's 99 minutes. You can set to any time that you want. And here we have the temperature sensor to adjust the temperature. And here is all the valve that controlled by the computers. The first one is the sucking valve. Sucking the alcohol, the fragrance oil. Now it's closed. If you want to open, then you press here. Now it's automatic. When you need to setting, press here to the manual way to open this valve, to open this, to let the alcohol and the perfume oil to go into the tank. Okay. And this is the discharge valve. For the machines recycling, we open this, recycling on here. We open this, and open this. Then the machines will recycling. Okay, now we close. Okay. And after the perfume is missing in the tank, you want to go into for the filtering circulation. You need to open this, and open this, to control the microburst filter and the flame filter. And open this, then the alcohol, the perfume will go from here. This need to close. You need to open this, and then we'll close here. then transfer into here. If you open this, then the water will go out from here, you need to close this so the perfume will go into the tank. Why now I don't operate it? Because the microburst filter now inside is empty. When you go home, you need to use the PP filter to put into here. For now, I don't open because here is empty, has the gap. If I open the recycling circulations, then the water, because there will have a gap, the alcohol or the water will go out. So you go home, you need to install it, and you also need to put the filter paper into the flame filter, and then open this, open this, and open this, close this, and here is recycling, okay? After everything is set, then you should set the menu. Now it's the menu way, it's for you to set in. If everything is finished, then you open to the automatic, then everything will be automatic. Okay, so here is the order. Here you see here also can set the times for the this tank producing recycling. And here is for the filtering recycling, the times, which I will introduce you again by English. Let's go into the English. Mixing working time, temperature, calibration valve, and here is the discharge main valve, the direct discharge valve, the direct pump, the internal circulation valve, the filter valve, and the filter circulation valve. Everything is just like the Chinese. And here is the direct discharge, internal in circulation. Everything is the same. So this is which is way more convenient compared to the manual one. I hope this video you can know the operating of these machines. Okay. I believe after my detailed introduction of the whole system working, now you have a detailed understanding of the machines. But if you don't know, it's okay. You can still contact me. I will teach you one by one. Okay. Thank you for watching.